Are you a homeowner that is tired of fighting with twisted and knotted up extension cords? Do you think you spend more time working on extension cords than working on your home improvement projects? Let's look at 3 good methods to storing your cables better. So as you're winding up your extension cords, of course, you can do it the old-fashioned way and simply wrap it over your arm. You do want to be mindful to let the wire lay naturally and not kink in any direction. And then at the end, you'll simply put the male and female ends together. Now, after it's coiled, you might think to secure it with something like electrical tape. The problem with that is that's going to leave a horrible residue on your extension cords. Better is zip ties. Zip ties are always going to be superior over any kind of adhesive or electrical tape or duct tape because that will just leave adhesive residue. There you go. Okay, now, of course, at the home improvement stores, you can buy the prefab extension cord wrap-up devices. They work pretty good. They're very inexpensive. So here you would just unplug it. This plug goes to the outlet and you can unwind it. Now the problem is the wires, the extension cords, if you look, they're wired, they're bound and wrapped on there pretty tightly. And what happens is the wire tends to get kind of frozen in that position. Let me unwind it and show you. If you look, you can see your extension cord now has the shape where it was wrapped up in that device. So that becomes a problem because your wire is now kinked in that shape. So the wrap-up devices from the home improvement stores are better than nothing, but they're still not my favorite. Let me show you my favorite. Okay, so you drill the hole through the 5-gallon plastic bucket. These can be purchased at any of the home improvement stores very easily. You have the male end sticking through the hole, and that enables you to plug it into any wall. And then down in here, take a look. You simply coil up your electrical wire and you can just pull it to any distance you need. I'll even add on a few more extension cords so we can show you how it works. This way the wire is wrapped gently around the 5-gallon bucket. It's stored safely out of the way. It won't get kinked. Okay. A lot of guys do swear by this home improvement hack with the extension cord in the 5-gallon bucket. Easy to carry around, easy to use. I have tried it. It does work, guys. Let me know if you like this video. Hey, every week we put up brand new home improvement videos. Please remember to subscribe to get more content. Hey, I bet you can do it yourself.